Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tesla Model X key fob. Press the center button once to unlock the doors and press twice to lock them. Hold the trunk button to open the rear Falcon Wing doors and tap the horn to confirm actions. Use the key fob for quick access when your phone is out of battery. I'll walk you through programming, battery replacement, and troubleshooting with friendly, easy steps to follow. In this section, we cover basic key fob functions and button layout. The center button locks and unlocks, the trunk button opens the rear, and the top button sounds the alarm. Keep the fob within 3 feet for reliable responses and avoid magnets or strong electronics nearby. I'll explain battery type and simple tests to confirm operation, plus tips to prevent accidental door openings and how to store the fob safely. In this break, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice controls into any garage or living space, perfect for hands-free timers or car prep routines. It sounds great and fits small spaces. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it for easy voice commands while you prep your Model X. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I show how to pair a new Tesla Model X key fob and change its battery. To pair, use the touchscreen controls, open locks, and follow the Add Key option while holding the fob near the center console. For battery changes, use a CR2032 cell, gently pry open the shell, and replace carefully. I'll mention common pairing errors, how to reset the fob, and when to visit service for complex issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.